have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence might play a crucial role in tackling climate change? It might sound like a concept straight out of a science fiction novel, but it's becoming a reality as we speak. Let's start from the beginning. Carbon capture is a technology that isolates carbon dioxide emissions from sources like power plants and factories. Once captured, the carbon dioxide can be safely stored underground or used in various industrial processes. This is an essential tool in our fight against climate change, as it helps reduce the amount of greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere. But as promising as carbon capture is, it's not without its challenges. It's an energy-intensive process, often relying on non-renewable sources, which ironically contribute to the very problem we're trying to solve. That's where artificial intelligence comes into play. Imagine for a moment a world where machines can think and learn. A world where algorithms can adapt to changing conditions and make intelligent decisions. That's the world of artificial intelligence. And when applied to carbon capture, these capabilities can revolutionize the way we approach climate change. Researchers are using AI to optimize carbon capture technology, drastically reducing its energy footprint. By implementing machine learning models, the system can predict changes in carbon dioxide production and renewable energy availability. This leads to more strategic resource allocation, saving a whopping 36.3% of non-renewable energy consumption. And that's not all. This approach also increases carbon dioxide capture by 16.7%, demonstrating the potential for a win-win solution. It's a significant step in promoting clean energy and environmental responsibility, contributing to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The success of AI in optimizing carbon capture suggests that it can also be applied to improve efficiency in other energy-intensive industries. This intersection of AI and carbon capture is more than just a technological marvel. It's a beacon of hope in our fight against climate change. Now let's delve into how researchers are using AI to revolutionize carbon capture technology. Imagine reducing non-renewable energy consumption by over a third. That's exactly what the researchers achieved. In a world where we're grappling with the consequences of excessive energy consumption, this is an achievement worth celebrating. By integrating artificial intelligence into carbon capture technology, we've seen a significant reduction of 36.3% in non-renewable energy consumption. But how does this all work? You see, carbon capture is a process that requires a considerable amount of energy. Traditionally, this energy is sourced from non-renewable resources, which, ironically, contribute to the very problem we're trying to solve: greenhouse gas emissions. However, by optimizing this process through AI, we can drastically reduce the amount of non-renewable energy we consume. Here's the interesting part. The AI system uses a combination of machine learning models, such as long short-term memory, LSTM, and multi-layer perceptron, MLP. These models allow the system to anticipate changes in carbon dioxide production and renewable energy availability. By doing so, it can allocate resources more strategically, leading to significant energy savings. But it doesn't stop there. This AI-powered approach transforms carbon capture into a more sustainable process. Instead of relying heavily on non-renewable energy sources, we can now leverage the power of AI to make the most of renewable energy. This not only makes carbon capture more efficient, but also reduces its overall environmental impact. In essence, the integration of AI into carbon capture technology presents a paradigm shift in how we approach energy consumption. It's a perfect example of how we can harness the power of technology to create more sustainable solutions to our world's most pressing challenges. So, not only is AI making carbon capture more efficient, but it's also making it more eco-friendly. This is a testament to the transformative power of AI in helping us create a more sustainable future. The success of this research is indeed a beacon of hope, showing us that it's possible to fight climate change while still meeting our energy needs. What if we could predict changes in CO2 production and renewable energy availability? Turns out, we can. Now that's something to get excited about. But how exactly does this work? Well, it's all thanks to the power of machine learning, which is a subset of artificial intelligence. Two of the most effective machine learning models used in this context are long short-term memory, or LSTM, and multi-layer perceptron, or MLP. These models are incredibly good at processing, analyzing, and predicting based on large sets of data. In this case, They're applied to data related to carbon dioxide production and the availability of renewable energy. The LSTM model, for example, is particularly adept at understanding time series data. This means it can analyze patterns over time and make accurate predictions about future trends. So if there's a consistent increase in CO2 production every winter, an LSTM model can anticipate this and help prepare the carbon capture system accordingly. On the other hand, the MLP model is an expert at understanding complex relationships between different variables. This means it can analyze how changes in one area, like renewable energy availability, might affect another area, like carbon capture efficiency. So what happens when we put these two models together? We get a system that can anticipate changes in both CO2 production and renewable energy availability. But it doesn't stop there. This predictive capability means we can allocate resources more strategically, which leads to even greater efficiency in the carbon capture process. Imagine knowing in advance when there's going to be a surge in CO2 production, or when there's going to be a dip in renewable energy. With this knowledge, the system can adjust its operations to minimize energy use and maximize carbon capture. It's like having a crystal ball, but one that's powered by artificial intelligence. This predictive capability is a game changer, but it's not the only benefit of AI in carbon capture. So while we've seen how AI can help us predict and prepare for the future, let's not forget the other ways it's revolutionizing carbon capture technology. AI in carbon capture is a double-edged sword, but in a good way. Imagine having a tool that not only helps you save energy but also increases the efficiency of the very task it's assigned to. That's precisely the double benefit AI brings to the table in the realm of carbon capture. Let's delve a little deeper into this. We've already seen how AI contributes to substantial energy savings, but that's only half the story. The other half is equally riveting. We're talking about a 16.7% boost in CO2 capture. Yes, you heard it right. AI doesn't just minimize energy consumption, it simultaneously enhances the effectiveness of carbon capture. An AI-based system can adapt and learn, optimizing the process to capture more carbon dioxide than traditional methods. Now, you might think that's great for carbon capture, but what about other industries? Well, here's where the tale gets even more exciting. The success of AI in optimizing carbon capture isn't a standalone incident, it's suggestive of the broader applications of AI. This technology holds the potential to revolutionize other energy-intensive industries as well. Imagine applying this adaptive learning technology to sectors like manufacturing, transportation, or even agriculture. The possibilities are nearly limitless. We could see significant reductions in energy usage across the board, leading to a more sustainable, eco-friendly world. And let's not forget, minimizing energy consumption isn't just about saving costs. It's also about reducing our reliance on non-renewable energy sources, furthering our stride towards sustainability. AI, with its predictive prowess and adaptive nature, could very well be the key that unlocks a more energy-efficient future. So, as we stand at the cusp of this technological revolution, it's clear that the role of AI extends beyond just optimizing processes. It's about creating symbiotic relationships where we can save energy and increase efficiency simultaneously. In essence, it's about crafting win-win solutions that benefit us and our environment. The implications of these findings extend far beyond just carbon capture. Climate change is a global issue, and the fight against it is a shared responsibility. We can all agree on that. But when we think about this responsibility, we often overlook the role of technology, particularly artificial intelligence, in making a sustainable future possible. The recent research we've been discussing is a prime example of how AI can contribute to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Specifically, it supports Goal 7, which aims to ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. By reducing non-renewable energy consumption by over a third, the AI-optimized carbon capture technology helps us inch closer to a future where our energy needs don't compromise the health of our planet. It's a future where clean energy isn't just an alternative, but the norm. But the impact doesn't stop there. This technology also aligns with Goal 13, to take urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. With the adaptive approach increasing CO2 capture by nearly 17%, we're not just using energy more efficiently, we're also combating one of the leading causes of global warming. And remember, this isn't just about the energy industry. The success in optimizing carbon capture suggests that AI can dramatically improve efficiency in other energy-intensive industries as well. That's a significant step forward in reducing our overall environmental footprint. In essence, this research is more than just an academic exercise. It's a beacon of hope, signaling the potential of AI to drive meaningful change. It's about harnessing the power of technology not just for innovation, but for conservation. It's about using our most advanced tools to protect our most precious resource, the Earth. As we've seen, AI holds tremendous potential for a more sustainable future. It's not just about technology, it's about our survival.